Ever wondered why we sneeze? Well, here's the deal. When something like dust, pollen, or even a strong smell enters your nose, it tickles the inside. That tickle is your nose saying, "Hey, something doesn't belong here." It sends a quick message to your brain like a tiny alarm. Danger ahead. Your brain fires back, "All right, team, get ready to sneeze." Your lungs take a big breath, your chest tightens, and your diaphragm gets to work. And then, boom! With a mighty achoo, your body launches the irritants right out of your nose at lightning speed, up to 100 miles per hour. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just a random achoo. It's your body's amazing way of keeping you healthy. Pretty cool, right? Bless you.